Good morning to all my students and also to my aspirant parents. Thank you for a very good feedback of my videos. Definitely I'm going to do more and more videos. Your comments really inspires me. Let us start from the basics, from primary classes. From second class onwards, second, third, fourth, fifth. In mathematics, basic fundamental operations in these classes are addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, decimals. So in this thing they should become perfect, and also in a very less time they should able to perform it. That is the concept of this video. In this regard, I'll come with a Vedic maths concept. I'll write down first Vedic maths concept. In Vedic maths concept, we have 18 sutras and 16 sub-sutras are there, which are very useful till engineering. You can do the problems even from geometry, from algebra, from plane geometry or analytical, that is algebraic geometry, what you call commercial mathematics also. Compared to abacus, Vedic maths is very much required. Abacus is only useful for basics, and also it is useful for only primary section. You can't do geometrical problems there in abacus. Okay, fine. We'll come back to Vedic math. We have 4 Vedas. Out of 4 Vedas, there is one Veda, you call it as Athurveda. So Vedic maths is extracted from Athurveda, which has 18 sutras and 16 sub-sutras. Watch this video till the end because I am going to tell examples of few more sutras in between, and my main focus is only on the primary classes. Especially today we'll go with an simple addition of single digit numbers and double digit numbers, so on. So watch my video, and if possible you subscribe it. Parents, don't think that I'm asking you to subscribe means I want to earn from YouTube channel or right from other sources. Nothing as such. To earn from YouTube channel, I should have more than 4,000 hours of my videos. Then only YouTube is going to pay something to me, and I'm not asking you to subscribe for earning. That is my satisfaction if you subscribe it, and you'll get notification immediately as soon as I upload the video. So Vedic maths, again I'll repeat it, from the Athurveda, which has 18 sutras and 16 sub-sutras. Today I'm going to teach the sutra which is very useful for addition purpose, addition of numbers, series of numbers. You will call it as Dashamsaha Sutra. This sutra, even in English you call it as dropping 10. You call it as dropping 10. Let me give some examples so that you can understand. Then I'll explain out of that example how you are going to follow it and how you are going to make your kids practice. This is important thing. Kindly listen very carefully and make your children to follow it. I'll give a series of numbers, random numbers. Example like 7, 4, 3, 2, 1, 6, 5, 8, 1, 2, 3, 5. Like a series of numbers. We are going to add it. So in a fraction of seconds, I'll get the answer to it. How? I'll just show you. This one, then this one, and this one. So you get it as this one, and answer is this. 47 is your answer. I'll give you one more example, then I'll explain how to do it. Take example as, I'll just change the color here. This is 4, 2, 3, 5, 1, 6, 9, 8, 7 we also take, and you take 2, 3 if possible. Let us see. I'll start here. Of course, this one, then this one, then this one, then this one, and then this one. It becomes 50. How is it possible? According to the sutra, we have name as dropping 10. You have to follow only one condition here. The condition is you should start calculating from the bottom to top. You should not come from top to bottom. You should come from bottom to top. And wherever you get 10, you leave or you mark there as a line. You even call it as line marking, right? Line marking sutra. Line marking sutra in English, because you are going to make a line for every 10 digits. Example, see, 5 plus 3, 8, 8 plus 2, 10. You have marked here. 10 means There is no additional number than 10. There is no need to carry. 1 plus 8 is 9. 9 plus 5 is 14. You drop out of 14, you drop 10, right? You have 4. You take that 4 and move forward. Okay, from here you move forward. 6 plus 4, 10. There is no additional number than 10. Carry only 0. So 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 4 is 10 here. There is no additional number. Only 7 is left. So you write down 7 here. And how many drop lines you have marked? You just count it. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So this is 47. I'll explain even to this also by changing the color. So here we'll start from bottom. As I said, there are two things you have to remember. Number one is start always from the bottom, and second one is whenever you calculate these lines, you have to do very fast. Count at a time 3 or 4. Don't count one after the other. Otherwise, you become slow. Count at a time 3 or 4 and then try to write down the answer. I'll just explain even this also. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 2, 12. Here marked. The 12 means 2 is more, right? So you carry that 2. 2 plus 8 is 10. Carry mark here. There is 0 remaining. So 9 plus 6, 15. 15. So drop down 10 out of 15. Remains 5. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 5, 11. Okay. Drop 10 from 11. Remains 1. You take 1 up. So 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 4 is 10. So what is the ones place value? 10. That is 0. You keep it 0 here. Now you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is your 50. In this way you have to do it. I have not copied anything on a rough paper here because you are not watching me or my studio here. You are just observing the screen. But believe me, I have not copied anything here and explaining you. Everything I am doing it random as it comes to my mind. I'll give one more example so that you can practice. You can make your kid to practice in this way. And I want you to spend your whole summer during these holidays. You please make them perfect in addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. For multiplication and division, if I hear tables up to 9 enough, I'll make them to learn tables 100, or even they can do thousands also. There is a simple logic and there are tricks in Vedic maths where they can go with smart response to the multiplication and division as well. Let us come to one more example. You have say 2, 1, 3, 4, 5, 4, 7, 8, 2, 4, 1, 3, take 2, you take 5, you take 1, you take 6. Let us add this. I'll change the color and I'll start here. This one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. It becomes this, it becomes this. 57 is your answer. How? The same way. 6. I'll change the color once again. 6 plus 5 is 11. Drop 10 out of it. 1 remains. So 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 plus 4 is 11. Again drop 10. You get 1. You take that 1 and add to the next. That is 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 8 is 11. Out of 11 drop 10. Take 1. 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. 12. You drop 10. Take 2. 5 plus 2 is 7. 7 plus 4 is 11. So you take 1 and move forward. That is 3 plus 1, 4, 5, and plus 2 is 7. You got 7. And how many lines I made it here? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 57. Please make your kid practice this. You give random single digit numbers first and make them practice, and along with it you make them practice complement numbers. Example, if you take a base as a 10, in Vedic maths you have Dashaka Sutram, Shataka Sutram and all. So let us first make them practice 10. 1 is a complement to 9, because when you add 1 to 9 it becomes 10. 2 is complement of for 8. 3 is complement of 7. 4 is complement of 6. 5 is complement of 5. Similarly, 6 is complement of 4, 7 is complement 3, 8 is complement of 2, 9 is complement of 1. If you add these numbers, you will get it base as 10. So you just make them practice this. It is going to be very useful. Complement numbers. These things are very useful in subtraction, even in multiplication also. Example, multiplication, I'll just tell you 92 into 96. What is a complement? Now here you have two values, two numbers. So you take it as 100 as a base, Shataka Sutram. Keep it 100 in your mind and right. What is the complement of this 92? That is 8. Fine. 8. That is 92 plus 8 is how much? 100. Similarly, what is complement of 96? That is 4. Now you see, if you check cross, 96 minus 8 is how much? 88. 92 minus 4 is also 88. You should get same value, 88. Now you multiply these two. 8 4 times 32. 92 into 96 is 8832. So in this way, it is going to be very useful if you make them to learn complementary numbers. In abacus, you call it as a big friend and small friend. So 9 is a big friend to 1. 1 is a small friend of 9. Similarly, 2 is a small friend of 8. 8 is a big friend of 2. This is what in abacus. Today you have learned the Vedic concept, especially for the primary classes in addition topic. There are many sutras which are very useful for you. Whenever I upload Vedic maths concept videos, kindly watch it, whether you are a parent of primary class student or upper primary class student or higher class student. Sometimes I'll explain you sutras. There are so many sutras like Dashamshaha you have learned now. You have Nikalam, you have Vinkolam, you have sutras of Ekanunenyam Purvenam, Ekadhikena Purvenam. So all these sutras are going to be very useful. Example, if I tell you one my favorite sutra called Ekanunenyam Purvenam, Eka Nunenyam Purvenam, that is one less than the before, one less than the before. This is what you call it as in English. Eka means one, Nunenyam means reducing, takva cheyadam, Purvenam ante purvamunna number lo nunchi, before number. Okay, this sutra is applicable for 9, digit 9 or multiples of 9. Example, I'll explain. You know the table like 3 9 times. How much 3 9s are? 27. Now you see how I am going to explain this. You know this 3 into 9. It is simple table, right? Anybody can answer it. But if I apply this sutra to this table, how it works, you see here. Eka Nunenyam means ఒకటి తగ్గించండి. సో 3 నుంచి ఒకటి తగ్గించండి. ఎంత అయింది? 2. ఈ 9 నుంచి 2 తీసేయండి. ఎంత అయింది? 7. సో ఎంత వచ్చింది? 3 9 times 27. ఇలా వస్తుంది. Example, if I take it as say 42 into 99, it is not possible. You have to do a lot of work. Okay, it takes nearly 1 minute. But here, by applying this sutra, you will get it in seconds, 3 seconds or 4 seconds. I told you, Eka Nunenyam Purvenam, you just decrease one number from this. 42 minus 1, it becomes 41. Now you subtract 4 from this 9, it becomes 5. And 1 from this another 9, it becomes 9 minus 1 is how much? 8. 42 into 99 is 4158. You can do it. The only thing is applicable for the multiples of 9. If you add one more subsutra to it, then you can go with any number with 9. That I'll tell you in another video. Example, this one I'll give you one more example. Say 527 into 99. Ekanuneniam purvenam. Ekanuneniam. You decrease 1 from this. 527 minus 1. It becomes how much? 526. Now you substitute 5 from this 9. How much? You get it as 4. Then this 2 from this 9 becomes 7. And from this 9 you substitute this 6. It becomes 3. So 527 into 999 is this much. That is 526473. Remember, you have to keep it. If you have 3 digits, you have to multiply only with 3 nines. If you have 2 digits, you have to multiply only with 2 nines for this sutra. If you add one more subsutra to it, then you are going to multiply any number with any number of nines. Then this is called Ekanuneniam purvenam. Similarly, you have Ekadhikena purvenam. Ekadhikena purvenam means 1. You have to increase. This is very useful for the square values. 104 whole square. 104 whole square is nothing but 104 into 104. 4 4s are 16, 1, 4 0 0, 1, 4 1s are 4, then 0 0 0. This is the answer. It has taken lot of time. If a single mistake goes here in this, the answer will become wrong. Your time is going to waste. Here, by applying sutra, you will get it answer in just 3 seconds to 4 seconds. That's all. And that answer is going to be sure shot correct. How? I'll just explain. 104 square, you got this number as 10816. Shataka Sutra means if you take 100 as a base, then how much 104 is more than 100? 104 enta ekkundi 100 kante 4 ekkundi. Adi deenki add cheyandi. That is 104 plus 4 is how much? 108. Then you square this value. 4 square. 4 square means 4 into 4 is how much? 16. 16. This is what you get it. 10816. Similarly, I'll give example 105 square. So 105 100 నుంచి ఎంత ఎక్కువ ఉంది? 5 ఎక్కువ ఉంది. So ఆ 5 దీనికి యాడ్ చేసుకోండి. 105 plus 5. 105 plus 5 how much? 110. 5 square is how much? 25. So answer is 1105. Suppose ఇది కూడా రాయకుండా మీరు ఆన్సర్ ఇచ్చుకోవాలి. That is 106 square. 106 square means 106 plus 6 is 112. 6 square is how much? 36. So answer is 11236. Example 107 square. 107 plus 7 is how much? 114. 7 square is how much? 49. This is your answer. Lot more things you people are going to learn. The only thing is we are learning just to make our kids become perfect in mathematics. I am going to take Vedic maths classes through videos. Kindly listen till end. Really get a good information as far as my knowledge goes. I'll just conclude this. I'll stop my video here. I'll tell one thing. Now start making practice to your kids about Dashamsaha Sutra. Dropping 10. I'll come up with more videos in future. Let us not lock down learning. Thank you. All the best. Stay healthy. Stay happy. Bye.